welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this is a re-unboxing. Sounds weird, doesn't it? I did an unboxing video on this November, I'd like to say. Did an unboxing video, popped it up, popped the image up, everything, and then a couple of comments on the video made me look at it again, and I realised that it wasn't what I thought it was. So I'd put what I thought was the unboxing video of this, and actually I'd put up an unboxing of a diamond painting from exactly the same company. So I fixed the description and the cover image, but I'd already got rid of the video of me unboxing this. So this is a re-unboxing of a video that I thought you'd all seen, but you've not. So this is a little bit different. This is a paint by numbers. This is from Victoria Moon. They have given me a discount code with this that, as far as I know, should still work, and it will be in the description below, along with the link to the site in case you fancy doing your own paint by numbers. It doesn't, I can never quite get it to fit back in the box, so I've had to sort of squeeze it in. But we do have 14 colours of paint, and then let me get the rest out the box, which I managed to squeeze in. So it comes with 14 colours of paint, but you actually get them times 3. So I'm not sure how, if they're all as many colours or whether they just give you it according to the size of the canvas. But as you can see, this is quite nice sort of pinks and purples. I got this picture with the image, with the idea of it going in my haul, though I've since changed the colour scheme in my haul, so it may or may not go somewhere else. But this is the image. Now for some reason, oh no, this does show all 14 colours, and it does give them a number, but I don't know what that's in reference to. But this is it. So it's some butterflies and some flowers. So you get all those colours, say, in paints, and then for the paintbrushes, oh, just lost the protective cover, but we get 3 sizes. Let's see if it will focus on that. Come on, camera. There we go. So we get 3 thicknesses of paintbrushes, and we do get that times 2. And then you do get some screws and fixings, which I guess if you stretch the canvas onto wood, you could use those to hang it. Not quite figured out how I'd hang this yet at all, but you do get plenty of tools and your paints, and then this is the canvas. So this size is, I can't remember. It's of course hard to see from a distance. I will zoom in a moment. Let me just find my tape measure. Let's find out what size this actually was, because as I say, I can't remember. So I'm going to measure the actual size that you paint. Okay, so maybe this is it at the top, 50 by 70, because that was 70 and that's 50. So yeah, 50 by 70 I've got this in. And they do quite a few different sizes, a bit like you can get with diamond painting, but of course this is slightly different. And that is how the actual canvas itself looks. So you paint each individual number, of course. I can imagine this would take a long time. Did not think this when I got it in this size. But there is not a lot of very small sections, which is quite good. So I did get gifted a paint by numbers from Winnie's Picks. Gorgeous picture. I did start trying to do that over Christmas, but I did find that some of the numbers I couldn't see at all. I could not work out what they were. I can pretty much work out all of these. So I think a lot of the others, it was like 8, 18 and 16. It had so many and they were so small I couldn't figure them out. But looking at this, let me zoom you in. It's probably going to be easier than trying to lift it up. It does look as though I'm going to be able to make out most of these, even the ones that are small. I can make out that's a 12, I can see that that's a 3. So it'll be quite interesting maybe to give this one a go. I did have to Google some hints and tips for actually working on a paint by numbers. And I think they do say that it's ideal to start with the lightest colour. Was that right, or was it the darkest? I think it was the lightest. I might have to Google it again. But maybe I will give some of this a go and see how it turns out. But anyway, I thought I'd show you what you get in the kit. They were kind enough to send it to me, and my first unboxing was deleted because I thought I'd posted it, and obviously I hadn't. So yeah, that's it. You get the canvas. It does come on a foam tube. It is a really nice canvas. It's quite clear on the front, but quite like Hessian type on the back. Really nice quality in my opinion anyway. I do like it. So yeah, you get the canvas, which in this case is 50 by 70. I've got the image of what it is, which I've already done the thumbnail for this video, so that should be easy enough. But yeah, it's flowers and butterflies. I thought it would be something that would be nice put up in a room. I do sort of have this pinky colour in my front room now, so maybe I'll put it on there. You do get 2 sets, or I got 2 sets of paintbrushes. I don't know if that depends on the size of the painting that you get to how many paintbrushes you may or may not get. I'm going to leave those caps off because they keep falling off anyway. But you get 3 sizes, and I've got 2 lots. And then paint wise, I do like these little containers. So you've got little foam pieces to pop your paints into, so that could be quite handy. And you do get, in this painting I got 3 sets, which hopefully will be enough paint to do the 50 by 70. So I'm sorry for the delay in this one. I'm sorry for those of you that saw a picture of this and thought it was the unboxing and it turned out it wasn't. I've fixed that video. I've now made this video, and hopefully we're all back on an even keel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.